Good evening, my dear students. Welcome back to your class. Now, my dear students, today what we are going to do? See, today we are going to start a new lesson. And do you know what is the name of the lesson? Don't worry if you don't know. I will say you the name of our today's lesson, English lesson. The name of our today's lesson is Birbal Cooked Khichdi. What is the name of our today's lesson? The name of our today's lesson is Birbal Cooked Khichdi. Now, after listening the word khichdi, you feel some hungry, like you have eaten the khichdi? No or yes? I don't know about you, but I have eaten khichdi a lot, and it is a very good dish and tasty also. And I liked khichdi. Do you like khichdi? Your mother might be knowing that which type of khichdi my child likes. My child likes spicy khichdi or plain khichdi or some oily type khichdi. So there are different types of khichdi. So we will see which type of khichdi Birbal is making in this lesson. Understood? So without wasting much of our time, come we will start our today's lesson. So my dear children, take your page number 32, chapter number 5, Birbal Cooked Khichdi. But before starting the chapter, let me tell you one thing. When I will read the lesson, you will not look here and there. You will look in your book and you will keep your finger on the line. Why finger on the line? Because this will help you to know that where I am reading. Understood? And you will keep your pencil also with you. Why pencil? Because if we find some hard word, we will underline it. So without wasting much of our time, come we will start our today's lesson. Once it was foggy in winter. Akbar and Birbal went to walk in the palace garden. Now, as you know that we have heard the stories of Akbar and Birbal, right? See, it is Akbar and he is Birbal. So what Akbar and Birbal are doing? They are walking in their palace garden. Palace means mahal, right? In olden days, the king used to have mahals, palace, and palace used to be in a huge, very huge area. In that huge area, they had a huge ground, means garden also. So Akbar and Birbal are walking in the garden. In which day? In winter days. Now what they are doing? Now what Akbar is saying? Birbal, it's too cold today. Now what Birbal is replying to Akbar? Your Majesty, it is fog everywhere. Now fog is a new and difficult word. So we will underline the word fog. Now what do you mean by fog, my dear students? Fog means, you can say in Hindi, धुंध, कोहरा. Yes, कोहरे को क्या बोलेंगे? Fog. So Akbar is saying that Birbal, it is very cold today. So what Birbal is replying? What Birbal is replying? Birbal is replying that your Majesty, it is fog everywhere. मतलब महाराज हर जगह धुंध है. Now what Akbar is saying? Akbar dipped his hand in the pool water. Now what Akbar is saying? He is dipping his finger. Now again your word dipped is there. So underline the word dip. So what do you mean by dip? Dip means you can put your finger in the water like this to test it is very cold or hot. So in the picture you can see what Akbar is doing. Akbar is dipping the finger in the water. Why he is dipping? Come we will see. Ooh, my fingers are almost frozen. Birbal, it is ice cold water. Now why he is dipping the finger in the water? Because he want to test that water is very cold or hot. And what he has seen, that water is ice cold, means water is too cold. Now what again he is saying? I think No one can work with such water. Now, what Birbal is replying? My lord, poor farmers and laborers work with such ice cold water. Now, what he is saying? We cannot dip the finger in the water because water is very cold. But the poor farmers, जो बेचारे farmers हैं, वो इसी ठंडे पानी में काम करते हैं. Now what Akbar is replying? I'll give 1,000 gold coins to the person who can stand whole night in this pool of water. Wow. Now what Akbar is saying? I will give 1,000 gold coins. मतलब मैं वो इंसान को 1,000 gold coin दूंगा जो इस ठंडे पानी में पूरे रात भर खड़ा रहेगा. Now come see what Birbal is replying. Did you really mean that, Your Majesty? Means he is saying that क्या आप सच बोल रहे हो महाराज? Means did you really mean that? Now what Akbar is replying? No doubt. You take along such a person this evening. Now what Akbar is saying? It is no doubt. I will give 1,000 gold coins. You bring that man that who will stand in this cold water. Now what he is replying? As you please, Your Majesty. As you please, Your Majesty means जैसा आप कहो महाराज मैं लेके आ जाऊंगा. कौन बोल रहा है? बीरबल. Now yeah, Birbal calls for his washerman. Now washerman, the one who wash things like clothes, utensils or many other things is called washerman. So Birbal called his washerman. Now what Birbal is saying, we will see. If you stand whole night in the cold water, I'll give you 100 gold coins. Now what Birbal is saying, if you stand in the cold water whole night, मतलब वो पूरे ठंडे पानी में पूरा एक रात खड़ा रहा तो उसको 1000 gold coin मिलेगा. Now what the man is replying? Ooh, it's so cold, but gold coins I will do. Means what that washerman is saying, that in the cold water whole night. Then when he know that Birbal is giving 100 gold coins, so he said that I am ready. I will stand in that cold water. Now let's see what happens. Now Birbal took along his washerman to Akbar. Now see here. Birbal took along his washerman to Akbar. Now what he is saying? Your Majesty, this man is willing to stand in cold water. Now what Akbar is saying, that Oh Majesty, this man is agreed to stand in the cold water. Now what Akbar is saying? Good man, you have to stand whole night. Means he is saying that not for 1 hour, 2 hours or 3 hours. You have to stand whole night. मतलब 1-2 घंटे की बात नहीं है, आपको पूरी रात ठंडे पानी में खड़े रहना पड़ेगा. Now let's see what happens. The washerman stood in the cold pool. Now see, the washerman, he stood in the cold pool. Now what they are doing, the other people in the palace? Keep a watch over him. See that he doesn't cheat. Now these are the men who are living in the palace. Now what they are saying? Keep a watch over him. See that he doesn't cheat. मतलब इसके ऊपर नजर रखो कि ये चीटिंग ना करे, रात भर यहीं खड़े रहे. Now we will turn towards next page. The time passed by. The time passed by. Now, ooh, I am freezing. What can I do? Who is saying? That old washerman. What he is saying? That oh, the water is very cold and I am freezing. What to do? What to do? Now come see what he does. He saw a lamp shining from one of the window of the palace. Now what he saw? That a lamp is shining. Lamp, diya, is shining from one window of the palace. Now what he is saying, the washerman? At least this lamp is hot in this cold weather. Now what he is saying? The weather is very cold. At least one lamp is there in this cold weather. The lamp is hot and he is saying that weather is very cold. So at least one lamp is there. इस पूरे ठंडे वेदर में क्या गर्म चीज उसको दिख गई? लैम्प यानी कि दिया. वो बोल रहा है इस पूरे ठंडे माहौल में कम से कम एक गर्म दिया है. So he kept his mind off the cold by watching the lamp. Now he kept his mind off by cold means he is continuously watching to whom? Watching the lamp, and his concentration went on lamp. Continuously he is watching the lamp, and when he is watching the lamp, what he forgot? He forgot the coolness of the water. दिए को देखते देखते उसके ध्यान से क्या निकल गया? पानी का ठंडापन, कि पानी बहुत ठंडा है. जो पानी में वो खड़ा है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंडा है. वो उसके दिमाग से निकल गया. Let's see what happens. In the morning, Akbar, Birbal and many other courtiers went to the pool. Now, next morning, Akbar, Birbal and many other courtiers went to the pool. Courtiers means the person who are living with the Akbar, living with the king, are known as courtiers. Now what they are saying? Well, you have done well. Help him out. Now what Akbar is saying that the washerman has done very well. Whole night he was in the cold water and he has done very nice. So bring him out. Now tell me, how did you keep standing in such a cold water? Who is asking? Birbal. To whom? That washerman. That how you keep on standing whole night in the cold water. Now what this washerman is replying? Well, sir, I saw a lamp shining from one of the windows of the palace. I kept my mind off the cold by watching the lamp. Thus I passed the time. Now here what he said, that I saw one lamp in the window, that he kept watching. So that lamp gave the warmness. मतलब रात भर उसने पूरे दिए को जलते हुए देखा तो उसको क्या दिमाग से निकल गया? पानी का ठंडापन. और वो उतने दूर से वो दिए ने इसको गर्माहट दी. Now let's see what happened. Now, Your Majesty, this man has cheated. Who is saying? The other courtiers in the palace. What they are saying? That this man has cheated. जो महल के जो अदर काउंटियर्स है वो क्या बोल रहे कि ये वॉशरमैन ने चीटिंग की है. Now what अकबर इज सेइंग? बट हाउ? अकबर इज सेइंग कैसे उसने चीटिंग की? वो रात भर ठंडे पानी में था. Now what courtiers are saying? The heat from the lamp gave him warm. What they are saying? The heat from the lamp मतलब दिए का जो गर्माहट था उसने उसको गर्माहट दी. किसको? वॉशरमैन को. Now let's see what Birbal says. Yes, that's it. Of course, you are a cheat. Go away. Now what Akbar is saying, that वॉशरमैन यू हैव चीटेड विथ मी. आपने हमसे चीटिंग की है और ये गलत बात है. चले जाओ यहाँ से. ऐसा कौन बोला है? अकबर बोला है. Now here, in the evening, the washerman met Birbal. Now that old washerman was very disappointed. बेचारा वॉशरमैन बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंट हो गया था क्योंकि उसकी इतनी मेहनत, रात भर ठंडे पानी में खड़ा था और उसको चीट का क्रेडिट मिल गया तो उसको बहुत बुरा लगा. सो ही वेंट टू बीरबल. Now what he is saying? Good sir, you saw the injustice. Now what he is saying? Sir, you saw the injustice. आपने injustice होते हुए देखा फिर भी कुछ नहीं किया. So what he is replying? Don't worry, you will get your award the very tomorrow. Now what he is saying that you don't worry about the award. You will get the award in the next day, means tomorrow. Now my dear students, we will turn the page. Now next day at Akbar's court. Now in the Akbar court, next day they are meeting together. Now he may be ill, your majesty. Now who is saying that? Counterfeiters are saying. What they are saying? He may be ill. Now who may be ill? Come see. It's very late. Why hasn't Birbal arrived till now? Okay, now Akbar is asking a question that why Birbal hasn't come up till now. So these counterfeiters are saying that he may be ill, your majesty. That's why he is not able to come here. Now let's see. Go and find out why he has not come. Akbar is saying to the other people in the palace that go and see what happened to the Birbal, that why he is late. Now the guards was back within a while. What Birbal is saying, Akbar is saying that what happened. So the guards are saying cooking since morning. Now Akbar doesn't understood anything that what guard are saying. So come see. My lord, he has been cooking khichdi since morning. Now what guards are saying that he is cooking khichdi. So what Akbar said? What? Cooking since morning? Means Akbar didn't understood anything. अकबर को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कि वो सुबह से खिचड़ी बना रहा है. तो अकबर तो थोड़ा सा शॉक्ड हो गया कि सुबह से खिचड़ी बना रहा है. So what Akbar will do now? We will see. Akbar himself goes to Birbal's house with some counterfeiters. Now what has Akbar done? That he went to Birbal's house with some other counterfeiters. Now what they are saying? What are you doing, Birbal? Who is asking? Akbar. Akbar क्या पूछ रहा है कि बीरबल तुम क्या कर रहे हो? As you can see, my lord, I am cooking khichdi. Now as you can see, the fire is down and the vessel is up. And what this man is saying that, my lord, I am cooking khichdi. So Akbar is looking here that fire is down and khichdi is up. So how it will cooked? So come, let's see what happened next. But the heat enough to cook will not reach the pot so high. और what अकबर is saying, आपका जो हीट है वो बहुत नीचे है और खिचड़ी बहुत ऊपर है. So the heat will not reach the pot so high. How you will cook like this? Now what the man is replying? If the heat from the lamp can reach a man in a pool 100 yards away. Now what he is saying that जो इंसान पूल में ठंडे पानी में है उसको गर्माहट एक दिए से मिलती है जो बहुत दूर है, 100 yards away है, तो फिर ये खिचड़ी क्यों नहीं पक सकती है? So what Akbar is replying, we can see. Then why can't the heat reach only 2 yards away? Now what he is saying, why can't the heat reach 2 yards away? Means the pot is only 2 yards away from the heat. मतलब heat से pot सिर्फ 2 yards away है. तो यही बोल रहा है ये कि जब वो 100 yards दूर से एक दिया गर्माहट दे सकता है उस बेचारे इंसान को, तो ये तो सिर्फ 2 yards away है pot से, तो ये गर्माहट क्यों नहीं दे सकता है? So Akbar starts thinking. Now come see what Akbar will say. Here is your reward, 1,000 gold coins. Now who is giving reward? Akbar is giving reward to whom? To that old person. that he was standing full night, and what he is saying, thank you so much, Your Majesty. You are very generous. Now generous is a hard word, so we will underline the word generous. So what he is saying, old man, that Your Majesty, you are very generous. So thank you so much. Now let's see what is the moral of the story. The moral of the story is that we should believe in ourselves. Understood? Now here we have completed our today's lesson. So my dear students, here we have completed our today's lesson, and I think you have understood which type of khichdi Birbal is making, right? So it's the time to take leave. I'll see you in the next video. Till that time, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, be happy, don't trouble your parents, and eat khichdi. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.